make shoes for dancing, for the stars. And when they need it, we make custom made. We do all the concerts for Lady Gaga, Britney when they go tour, Madonna when they go tour for a year, whatever. All the dancers wear and tear. What we do, we put a new sole, special sole, suede. I was in the auto parts business when I came here. My cousin owned like 6 of them, Shoe Lab, and you know, I start helping him. Got interested, and I buy one of them from him. This one. Yeah, I moved when I was 19 to Boston, Massachusetts. He was doing this business already a long time. He had six stores. It was the name Shoe Lab, and they still existing. And he sold it. He moved Vegas. Now he have Shoe Lab in Vegas. And I bought this one, Beverly Connection, 20 years ago. Every customer happy, they do miracle. I say, okay, we put miracles. We do miracles, I guess.